Herb and Parmesan crumb chicken burgers.
Hi. Most of the time, after a big romantic good fun night out, all you feel is a lousy lunch or dinner to get you on the right track the next day. These burgers are overly indulgent and not for every day, but they sure do the trick. And of course, it's great even if you don't need restorative nutrition. The chicken has a fragrant herb, Parmesan crumb coating, and after frying it's tucked into a pillowy scone bun with fresh fennel slaw, creamy avocado, mustard mayonnaise, ripe tomatoes, and chutney. I am proud to share the recipe for this sweet dish with you. Herb and Parmesan crumbed chicken burgers. Serves 6. Preparation 35 minutes. Cooking time 6 minutes. 750 grams boneless, skinless chicken breasts. 3 slices white toast bread, crusts removed, roughly chopped. 1 cup plain flour. 1½ cups panko breadcrumbs. 1 teaspoon lightly toasted fennel seeds. Finely grated zest of 1 lemon. ½ cup roughly chopped parsley. 1 teaspoon sea salt, if using running salt use 1/4 teaspoon. 2/3 cup grated Parmesan. 3 eggs, whisked. 2 tablespoons butter. 2 tablespoons olive oil. ½ cup good quality mayonnaise, I used Best Foods. 1 teaspoon American mustard. To serve: 3 heirloom tomatoes, sliced. 6 brioche burger buns. 2 avocados, sliced. 2/3 cup tomato chutney, I used anathoths. Remove and reserve tenderloins from the chicken breasts. Put chicken breasts between 2 pieces of baking paper and bang with a rolling pin to flatten. Slice into pieces roughly 11 cm x for xm. Put 1/4 cup of flour in a food processor with the bread, breadcrumbs, fennel seeds, zest, parsley, salt, and Parmesan. Pulse to form crumbs. Prepare 3 bowls, one with the plain flour, one with the whisked eggs and the other with the seasoned breadcrumbs, and line a tray with baking paper. Dip the chicken pieces in the flour, pat to cover, then coat in egg and breadcrumbs and place on prepared tray. Cover and refrigerate for half an hour or up to 6 hours. Whisk mayo with mustard and refrigerate until serving. To cook, heat half the butter and oil in a large frying pan, adding more as necessary, and cook chicken in batches, for 2 to 3 minutes each side until golden and cooked through. Serve chicken with toasted brioche buns, slaw, avocado, tomato, mustard mayo, and chutney. Fennel slaw. Serves 6. Preparation 15 minutes. Cooking time 0. ½ cup good quality mayonnaise, I used Best Foods. 2 tablespoons freshly squeezed lemon juice. 1/2 small red onion, finely chopped. 2 tablespoons finely chopped fennel fronds. 1/4 cabbage, finely sliced. 2 fennel bulbs, trimmed, hard core removed, finely sliced. Whisk mayonnaise with lemon juice in a large bowl. Season with a little salt and pepper. Add remaining ingredients and toss well to combine. Refrigerate for half an hour before serving. Slaw can be prepared up to an hour in advance. Enjoy your meal. Thanks for watching.